to this meditation circle. Thank you for joining me today. This meditation circle is dedicated to bringing gratitude and centering to your day. Mindful meditation is a practice to center our consciousness in the present moment, which is when reality happens. The past is over and the future is simply not important at this time. All we have is this exact moment, one after another. As we gather together, let's bring our awareness to this shared space. Wherever you are right now, look around you. Feel yourself safe and held where you are right now. Check your body, make sure that you are situated in a comfortable way. And I will indicate the beginning of our guided meditation with 2 rings of the singing bowl. The end will be signaled by 1 ring. Make any adjustments at this time in your posture. If you need to stretch your body or change your posture, please do so that you feel grounded and secure. If you'd like to set an intention, you're welcome to do so now. When we sit for mindful meditation, it's important that our posture be comfortable. So either sitting on a cushion or a chair, allow the weight of your body to naturally ground into your seat, whether it be on the ground, on a cushion, or in the chair itself. The sitting position should feel comfortable and grounded. So take a moment to feel the different areas that are in contact with your sitting location. Generally, we would like the knees to be below the hips if possible. So you can achieve this by sitting a little higher, adding a cushion. Maybe you're cross-legged or kneeling with knees forward and your feet behind. If you're in a chair, it's helpful to have your feet planted on the ground and not have your legs crossed. Your hands can be in your lap, on your thighs, on a pillow that you put on your lap. Whatever you need to not feel strained. Your eyes are soft, either closed or gazing on a neutral spot on the ground in front of you. Let's begin our practice with 3 cleansing breaths. In through the nose and out through the mouth, with a sigh if you would like. Breathing out of the mouth is a good way to relax because it stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps us to just relax and feel more calm. So as we proceed, I invite you to extend friendliness to your breath. Breath is always available to us as our present moment anchor. So if possible, bring curiosity to your breath. As we breathe in, may we feel joy and ease. And as we breathe out, sharing these values with the world. As we breathe in, welcome gratitude for this new day. And as we breathe out, we smile and send gratitude to others in our life. For the next few breaths, let's imagine ocean waves on the beach, coming in and going out naturally. On the in-breath, the wave reaches the beach. There's a slight pause as the water gathers itself on the sand. On the exhale, the wave goes out to sea. And there's a slight pause as the wave gathers itself in the water, ready for the next wave. If this visual is helpful, use it for a few more breaths. Choosing a visual to occupy the mind helps us stay focused on the present moment. And as you focus on your breath anchor, choose where you feel the breath more prominently, either the nostrils, the chest, or the belly. Let's breathe quietly and feel the sensations at our breath anchor. From time to time, check your body posture. Shoulders relaxed, neck comfortable on top of the shoulders, chin just maybe bent a little bit towards the chest, just slightly, so that your spine is straight from your head to your pelvis. Double check that your legs still feel comfortable in the position they are in. And if you need to change, that's fine. No reason to be in pain by having a stiff or a position that is no longer comfortable. When thoughts come into your awareness, let them arrive without judgment. Acknowledge them with curiosity and a smile. And then gently bring your attention back to the breath at your anchor. Check your facial expression, and it's helpful to put a little smile on our lips, our mouth. brings some joy into the moment, warmth and friendliness. As we keep gently bringing our attention back to the breath, it becomes a safe and easeful space, a reminder that all is well in this moment. As stillness enters your consciousness, welcome this moment of calm, joy, here and now. Each now is a new opportunity for renewed gratitude and joy. Observe yourself and your body as you welcome the stillness and the safety of being grounded and held by the breath. The breath engulfs our entire body and brings us nourishment and love. Allow any perceptions and thoughts to come and go in your awareness like clouds drifting in the sky. They come and go, changing shape, and then merging into the breath. The earth holds us gently. Our heart opens to welcome warmth and kindness. A strong yet calm energy permeates throughout our body through the breath. Please know that there is no failure in meditation. Each time you sit, it's a new moment and a new opportunity for growth and awareness of yourself. Let's enjoy some silent mindfulness, breathing, enjoying this present moment. If you're ready, open your eyes, look around your physical space, observing colors, images, to bring your awareness back to the safe moment and this space where you are. Let's bring our palms together at our heart. The left and right sides of our body coming together. Yin and yang, male and female, dark and light. Inhale, exhale. Feel the sensation of the flesh touching flesh, warmth and balance. Take a couple more deep breaths. And if you would like, you can move and stretch out your legs. Stretch your arms overhead. If you have some water nearby, take a few gulps of water. And I thank you for your practice today. May you go forth with joy, happiness, and ease. Namaste.